with college friends. Look at my nails. Actually, last minute ako nagpa-nails kasi hindi na siya kaya ng schedule ko. Tada! It's cat's eye. Cat's eye effect.
For flight 5J381 bound for Cagayan de Oro.
Go. One, two, three. Welcome to CDO. Let's do it. Our first day. Kasi ang dami namang naka-red. Sabi ni Kuya naka-red siya. Ano?
Batchmate kayo na sa nun.
Ha?
Kung maka-batchmate kayo mga yun, mag-jowa yan.
Totoo? Ka-batchmate ni Jaja! Ito talaga tayo dyan.
Nasa gitna tayo.
Oo. Parang medyo mainit. Our goal is... Yes. Nag-vlog pa ako. Carry ko to. Vlog is life. By the way, namiss ko pala mag-vlog. Tagal ko na hindi nag-vlog. So, babawi ako sa inyo, guys. Sana makabawi ako. Kaso, my gosh. Hindi ako nag-sunblock. Ha, lalo akong nagugutom. Ay, oh my.
Porsche pala.
Okay, so, yung hinahanap talaga pala namin ay red na car at hindi red na t-shirt. Saan nangyari? Pusit?
Caldereta. Ay, ito ka na lang serve, mama.
It's beef steak and rice, fried rice. And the view. Tada! Ang ganda naman ng view. Ay, super ganda. Hey, hi! First meal. Hi, Kimi! First meal of the day.
He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. We were in it for a minute, had a moment in the sun.
Quick update, guys. Nakapila kami going sa Roro. And it's currently 11:37 a.m. Yung agenda namin today is Mantigay Island, Katigbawasan Falls, Sunken Cemetery, Old Church Ruins, and Alex Restaurant for dinner. Kanina pala, medyo umulan siya ng very light, pero ngayon nag-stop na. Pero medyo gloomy yung weather niya, like cloudy. So, sana maganda yung weather later. So, mag-update na lang ako once na nasa Camiguin na kami. Bye!
Mag-update ka na pag nasa Manila na.
Wag! Bye!
Ayun na tayo.
Hi! So, it turns out na mag-wait pa kami. Kasi, I don't know din. Basta mag-wait kami. So, nandito na daw kasi yung Roro namin. Pero, I think hindi pa siya aalis. Oh, this way. Ayun lang. Dawan. Sana umalis na kami. Ayun na, medyo sunny na. 2 hours daw eh. Diba?
We were something, now we're nothing, 'cause I broke it when I realized it was all way back then. Feelings that play pretend. I guess I got thicker skin, 'cause I just don't care. He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over
Okay, so now we're here sa Katibawasan Falls. This one. Ayan. And parang I think it's gonna be our last destination or second to the last. So let's see if aabot kami. But since yun nga, late na kami nakadating sa Camiguin, yung waves kanina going sa Mantigue Island is mga malalaki na. That's why hindi na kami tumuloy kasi it's risky. But wait, ito na ba yung falls? Hindi. Wait? Ta-da!
Letting go of a problem, leaving it right over there. Maybe it's cool, but I'm over here. Happy it's over. Heart was broken, words unspoken. Had me crying like the river. Pains are growing. Now I'm here, feeling fine, ready to live.
Ano?
I'll never be what you need, and I just don't care. He's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. I'm doing.
Andito na kami sa Tuasan Falls. So we're just gonna take a look lang. Let's go. It's currently 4:43 p.m. So, okay.
And he don't know what to do, 'cause I'm over here, happy it's over. Yeah, I'm over all the hurt inside. Letting go of a problem, leaving it right over there. Maybe it's cool, but I'm over here, happy it's over. You fireworks, pushing pain till I'm drunk. No longer yours, on my own number one. A whole new world, 'cause I'm finally done. I'm done, it's done. And I'm feeling over the moon. Over here, he's over there, losing his cool, and I'm over here, happy it's over. I'm doing me.
Basta merong available.
sige po kuya. Yun na lang po siguro yung morning na lang.
Para masulit
Na. Sige kuya, final na po namin yung 22 na lang ng morning. It's dinner time.
Finally.
Oo, tapos diretso na.
Bihis na lang.
Ginawa ko po talaga.
Hi. Ang ginagawa mo? Yung lens. Babe, say hi. Hi, kuya. Good morning. It's day 2 today. So, pupunta kami sa White Island. And then, Mantigue. Kasi hindi namin natuloy yesterday. So, ngayon namin i-continue. And tumigil na yung ambon. But, it's cloudy. It's gloomy. And then, mag-snorkel kami later. Let's go. Kini. I pray na sana hindi na umulan and maganda yung weather later. So, we're gonna buy a ticket na. And medyo marami na ring tao. Sige. Bale, 5:59 outfit check. Outfit check. So, bibili na kami ng ticket. Total of 550. 550, may environmental fee na?
Entrance and environment.
550. Yeah. So, entrance and, plus,
Both lang yung 550.
oh.
Plus, entrance fee na 50.
So, it's 600.
Yeah.
Okay. So, 600 pala siya overall. Kasi we're gonna use a boat later. Let's go, everyone!
Go Team A.
Let's go! Team A! Oh my gosh, wait.
Slowly.
Slowly.
pa ako ng blush.
Okay, let's go. Say hi.
Hi! Hi, Jack! Hello! It's so good, babe. Good one. Ito na kami sa boat. Good morning! Good morning! Dito na kami sa White Island. Pero maambon today. So, wala lang, I don't know. Tapos later mag-drone shot or shoot kami. Ang lamig! Ang lamig dyan. Hindi ako magsaswim. Uy, nagrenta ka na ng snorkeling gear.
Ang lamig!
Paulan.
Same. Pero iba yung color niya. Ang ganda. So, parang meron two sides of every person. May dark at saka may light.
Nag-away na po si Jaja tsaka si Cha. FO na daw sila.
Hi. Hello?
Expectation versus reality. Correct.
And it's raining again. Hindi nagpakita si Mr. Sun. Kaya magbe-breakfast na kami after this. Supposedly may boat kami.
Inagawan sila.
Mga agaw sila ng boat. Kaya nag-wait kami para bumalik yun. Goodbye.
Okay lang mo, ma'am. No problem.
Hindi ko nahugot yung sa. Gutom na yun. Sinubo agad.
Happy birthday!
Sakay na po yung pink.
Yes! Ay, namatay! Wait,
Isa kay kuya.
isa kay kuya! Ayan!
The best
Birthday! Yes! Happy birthday, kuya!
Advance po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Yay!
Make a wish!
Make a wish!
Yay!
Happy birthday, guys! Welcome, kuya! Hi, everyone! So, nandito na kami sa Mantigay Island. And, nag-wait lang kami sa tour guide namin for the snorkeling. Pero, magpipicture muna kami with the drone while waiting.
Yun ang nakakita.
Man-made po ba yun or... Kasi po,
Okay na.
thank you.
Tell me it's not like you to come home cautious. Not saying much, so it's hard to keep you honest. Fix that beat like fish. Wish it was a
Tikan ko na kayo makalimutan, guys. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Magdo-drone na kami. Ah, it's so good here. Pangit naman ng buhok ko. Pero, good yung weather dito. Look. See?
glitter on your cheek. Won't you
Sorry! Hi!
But nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever.
Ito na naman ako guys. Hindi naman ako nag-sunscreen before ito. Very good talaga ako.
Tell me it's only one night. Need a moment.
Early dinner na lang po kayo, mama. Doon kayo kakain sa tinatawag na pinutos.
Ano yan, kuya?
Adobo. Nakabalot sa nakabalot sa daon ng
Banana
saging.
leaf. Okay.
May itlog 'yon. May chicken, din.
So wala kaming itinerary today. Just rest lang. Kasi for tomorrow kasi may hike kami in the morning. Actually mag-start yun ng 2 a.m. Pero kinonfirm ko pa pala if yun nga, if 2 a.m. Talaga, if yun yung susundin na itinerary. And then after that, yung tour naman for Impasugong tour. So may Impasugong tour kami tomorrow after hike. It's gonna be a busy day tomorrow for us.
Morning. Tapos hanggang 5 tayo. Morning. Dilat na dilat. Parang yung day 1, sobrang aga.
Ano to?
Salad.
Ito yung ilaw nila nandito sa daan. Sa kalsada.
Hi everyone!
Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hello guys!
Hi! So nandito na kami sa aming second day
Sobrang init na.
Airbnb.
Pa-lifestyle.
So, nandito na kami sa aming second day Airbnb here in Bukidnon. So, kakarating lang namin kaninang mga afternoon from Camiguin. And look at our rooms. So, magkatabi lang kami. So, sa isang room is 3 and then sa other room is 2. Yan lang. Yeah, ang ganda.
Yeah.
Tagal, oh.
Daming reklamo eh.
Friendship check! Friendship okay pa naman.
Wala pa rin naman nasa
Gusto ko yung maglagay kita ng leg picture, tapos iba-ibang cam.
Saan ganyan?
Iba-ibang cam.
Dapat pala bumili yung tayo, Kim.
Oo nga. Friendship check. Okay pa kami.
Okay,
Siguro.
Night, guys!
Good night, guys!
Love you po! Para bang?
Tayo pinalahis dito.
Parang ang scary kasi.
Oo nga, tahimik silang lahat eh.
Sino maingay dyan?
Basta 2-1. Wala, hindi nakalagay yung breakdown.
Snorkeling yan.
2-1. Divide.
Tell me it's not like you to come home cautious. Not saying much, so it's hard to.
Hindi po ako na lang. Sige, 200. Mula nung mami.
Parang doon siya lumalapit. Yung lamp na lang yung open mo.
How?
Open mo dyan yung lamp.
Ayun. Ayan, yun. Ayan, ayan!
Sorry.
Takluban mo siya.
Nasaan na siya?
Hampasin mo. Wala.